नाजरीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल्ला। 7 न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। चंद्रायन गुट्टा से चारमीनार जाने वाली फलकनुमा रेलवे ब्रिज में दरार आने की वजह से ब्रिज का नीचे से एक हिस्सा गिर गया। आइए देखते हैं हमारे नुमाइंदे अकरम की ये रिपोर्ट।
After 10 years of successfully spreading education and carving a niche for itself, Success Junior College proudly introducing Success Degree College for Women, affiliated to Osmania University, a place where you can engage your passion with respect and encouragement. Dedicated counselors and accessible educators who have an unparalleled reputation for balancing excellence and dedication in their field are here to guide you along the way. Fully furnished and spacious, sanitized AC classrooms, hygienic and safe environment as per the government's norms, well-equipped labs and spacious library. Courses offered: BSc Nutrition, BSc BZC, BSc MPCS, BBA, BCom Computers, BCom General. Hurry up! Admissions are open. Success Degree College for Women, IS Southern, X Roads, Santosh Nagar, Hyderabad.